Long-tailed macaques feed mostly on fruit and leaves in the forest, but these have learnt to supplement their vegetarian diet with seafood. As the tide begins to fall, the macaques make their way down to the shore. A beachside restaurant is about to open. The macaques have learnt to use heavy rocks as tools to break open the sea snails. It takes a great deal of skill to master this technique, but not everyone has got the hang of it. They're after rock oysters. To crack the shells open, they must strike the oyster in just the right place with their chosen tool. The lowest tide reveals a course that is particularly delicious. Crabs have good eyesight and can move fast, so catching them requires a special trick. Before pouncing, the macaques wait for a wave to obscure their attack. Macaques learn their skills by watching their parents. But some techniques do take time to perfect. And tide waits for no macaque. The returning water closes the beach restaurant for another day.